Sa bawat araw na dumarating, piliin natin maging masaya. Maraming hamon ang buhay, pero tayo ang may kapangyarihang magbigay kulay sa bawat sandali. Tandaan, kahit simpleng bagay, pwedeng magdala ng ngiti, kaya i-enjoy natin ang bawat sandali.
Hello guys, so let's mukbang with okra and santol, cotton fruit. So with chili, let's try with fish. And then may sauce tayo na konting soy sauce at suka. So yan lang. No pork. So look at my, because I do a lot of laundry yesterday, so this is what happened. I have allergy. That's true. So this is it. Pansit. Let's eat. Oy, diri lang eh. Diri lang na. So this one is sour, huh? Pwede na siyang di lagyan. It's okay that you don't put vinegar in your fish because this is sour already. And then I put, it's okay because I don't know. So yeah, may ulam na tayo guys in simple way. Kanina napunta ako sa ang bilihan namin ng kuhanan namin ng beer. I'll go there, then I have 200 pesos I bring, so I buy a fish, 1 kilo fish, and then because I just 200, so I buy 1 kilo fish and then 2 kilo of santol, cotton fruit, and then this one is 10 pesos in one something like that, like this one ba? It's 10 pesos. Then I buy chili. It's 5 pesos for 3 pieces. Yeah. So meron ka ng sa 200 mo, i-budget mo yan, kaya yan. Kasi pre-night ko to siya kasi yung sa pusa, bigyan ko siya. Talagang pula talaga yung ko sa paglulundi ko, pero ito lang mawawala din to. So yan ang allergy guys. Okay lang, natapos na naman din nalabahin ko. Ang sarap pag mag ano, if you using your hands you eating, it's really yummy. Supposed to be I'm waiting of Kuya because I thought they come here, but no, so I'm the one pick up the beer. But I buy kuan fish. Why your son is spoiled? Laughing. I just put him back in the room.
Huh?
I'm just put him back in the room.
Balik tak sa room.
Because I'm cooking. He's what you call that?
Meowing.
Meowing. And I give the dried fish. He didn't want to eat. And keep meowing, meowing.
You don't understand?
I don't know what's that. Go to sleep or eat or what? Companion to him to sleep? I don't know. Yeah. This one is make your fish sour. But you can eat also. I forgot to what you call that, smash to get the sourness, but it's okay. Our cat, guys, is something like Coco. Eh. It's spicy with it. So I need to have leftover with this one because our cat is crazy. It's really spicy, guys. I eat this one. No, no, no. No, no. My eating is really good. I eat that one is my taste is going back up. But mabubuhay na ako dito. Walang kartihan. It's true. Hindi naman siya ano, yung malapot kasi ano siya. Niluto siya. So, it's still hot, guys. So, magtanim ako ng ganito para may makain ako. I have a lot of seedlings, this one, because I get in the other house. Because the people living there before, they have like this, and when they are transferred, nobody take care na. So, I get the seeds. So I will put that one, then I will make it grow. Like now, it's raining, so I hope it will be grow up. So few months, I can have my own garden in the back. Again. Yaha ko nakawala gana ang sili. For 7 hours laundry. This is what I done. So maybe next time, if okay na ang tanan, makabayta og washing machine. Charot. Kanang ako na gyud nga washing machine nga dili ko mga kuno dili ako Ang dili hinulman ha. Charot. Ang maigo bato-bato sa langit ang tamaan mo magalit. Mangutang ko og washing machine. Charot. Naay kuan, naay imko naghuwat. Ngutang tag washing machine. Sumasadya kayo. Kung maglundet ko niya washing machine, anong ganda ng kurente? Napa-aircon. Patay ng bulsa. Ako lang himuon magwanan ako. Fight baga, abusadong amo. Magkuha na lang ko hand wash na lang ko. Okay. Para dili siya kuan. Guys, pobre raman taon ni Mer. Pobre rami. Dito may yung dato kayo. Pero makakaon may kung sa'yo mong gusto. Ang sarap gud ang wa may trabaho. Ako nagpabuhi ako. Pero ako nang hukok. Pabuhi ako. Samahan sa akong anak. Ako'y nagbantay sa akong anak. Ako'y nag-take care sa akong anak. So, it means na ako Kung sa akong gusto, makapalit ko. Wala ko pabaying bata. Kung asa siya mulakaw na ako. As a guardian mother. Sa eskwelahan, may problema kay kwaon siya. Pero buntag, ako magluto niya, mag-prepare ko niya. Siya naman nakabaw naman na siya mali. She's the one know how to take care herself. She take shower, but I will make a hot water. In the other room, they have a hot water. But his daddy is sleeping, so we are aware to bother his daddy. So I'm the one make a hot water. Even if someone said I'm a bad mother, it's okay. Not a big deal. Because she's not my shoe. She's not with me, always watching me. What I do. It's free to judge. This one I will not eat. Because I cannot tolerate the spicy. I like the okra rather than this. This one is really good to make it your fish sour. You don't need to put vinegar, I think. Or maybe I use the vinegar. The wine vinegar. Maybe it's like this. Oh, we don't have na food na. Cause what happened to me last this month, somebody get my money in my bag, so we don't have choice. Life must go on for what anything happen. This is not life. Then today is July 22. So I can upload this one tomorrow. I don't know what I will make for Sahira's dinner. It's really tired, guys. You need to think what your daughter have in dinner, especially you are not the same taste of food you like. I don't know. I don't know. So this is our mukbang. This is left. This is yummy but sour. I forgot to squish it, but it's okay. One tip that I will give you guys, if you don't have money, then you want to buy a fish, maybe you can buy a half kilo of fish and buy a okra and make it what you call that, inununan. This is really yummy, guys. So you don't need to eat now a lot of fish. You will eat this one. The fish is for your kids if you really like to do it. So this is what I experienced. I love the okra. This is a finish. I love this one. Thank you so much and bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching my video always. Super thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Sa bawat araw na dumarating, piliin nating maging masaya. Maraming hamon ang buhay, pero tayo ang may kapangyarihang magbigay kulay sa bawat sandali. Tandaan, kahit simpleng bagay, pwedeng magdala ng ngiti. Kaya i-enjoy natin ang bawat sandali. Magpasalamat at patuloy na magpakatatag. Lagi nating isaisip, happiness is a choice. Let's choose to be happy. Walang take two sa buhay, kaya piliin mong maging